Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session let us discuss about prepositions. Now what do you mean by prepositions? Prepositions are a group of words or phrases which refers to or which corresponds to the directional, spatial and temporal relationship between one or more things or one or more people. And it may also describe about the concrete and abstract relationships. Now usually we have this confusion regarding where should we use on, at and in. So let me explain it. Now when you are referring to a particular day in your sentence, you should use the preposition on. For example, if I say, Linda is expected to arrive on Wednesday, or the exam will take place on Monday. So in this case, you should use the preposition on. Then the second one, what about the preposition at? At should be used with reference to the time frame which you are mentioning in the sentence. For example, if I say, the examination will begin at 10 a.m. or maybe the movie will begin at 4 p.m. So it should be used always in the context of time reference. Third one is in. Now where do we use the preposition in? It is always used with reference to the months, years or seasons which you refer to. For example, if I say India gained its independence in 1947. So I have made use of a year. So you should make use of the preposition in. Or else if I say the day is or the days are too long in the summer. So here I have used a season or I have referred to a season. So you should make use of the preposition in. Now in case you have to refer to something which is contained within something. For example, if I say the fish is in the bowl. So in that case you will use the preposition in. Now if you want to indicate an extended period of time, you can make use of the preposition like until, since, etc. Now if you want to refer to something which is on the top of a surface, you can say it is over it, it is on it, okay? And if it is under that particular surface, you can make use of the preposition like underneath or beneath or under. Now, next confusion which would arise in your mind is which all are the places or in what context or how can we choose between in and on. Now, something you should keep in mind is in and on are always used with refer to an enclosed area. And on is always referred to the usage of a surface. For example, if I say the football players are practicing on the field. So where are they practicing? They are practicing on the surface of that field. Now what about in? In always refers to an area. So for example, if I say the cows are grazing in the field, that means the cows are grazing necessarily inside the area of that particular field. So these are some of the major points you need to keep in your mind whenever you come across prepositions or whenever you make use of prepositions in your sentences. So I hope it was informative and useful. Thank you.